Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable a manual time and time doctor. So as you can see, this user is not authorized to do this yet. So I'll come and log in from my company's owner or administrator account. And then here from the top panel, I want you to click on settings. You'll get a drop down. From here, I want you to click on users. And you'll see all the users that are listed for that company or team here. And you should see a column right here that says can edit time. So William Hunter right now, which is this one right here, is set to no. Okay, so we'll click on this drop down and we will go ahead and enable this. So click on yes, and the settings get automatically updated. Editing time updated for one user. So we have effectively enabled this. So we'll come here, we will go ahead and come here, click on edit time. Okay, and now they are able to edit time. So that is how to enable a manual time in Time Doctor.